Good morning, everyone. It is 6:25. It is the 19th of November. Thanksgiving's almost here. All right, here we go. There was, by the way, all of the earthquake centers and apps agreed with this except for one, and you'll know which one it is when I get to it. There was a 4.5 Madagascar at 6 miles in depth. There was a 5.0 Taiwan region, Japan at 6.1 miles in depth. There was a 4.3 Afghanistan at 186.9 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 Iona Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 Greece at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.4 Greece at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.9 Myanmar, and that was at 47 miles in depth. There was a 5.1 Vanuatu Island region at 14.9 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 Volcano Island, Japan at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.0 Eastern Turkey at 1.0 miles in depth. This one the USGS did not put up, and this one was a 4.3 Mexico that was put up by the Discovery earthquake, that was put up by the EMCS, and that was put up by the GFZ, and that one was at 6.1 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 Mamasa at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.4 Greenland Sea region at 6.2 miles in depth. The British Virgin Islands had a few of them in a row, so I'm going to go ahead. Had 5 of them in a row. 6 of them in a row. So I'm going to go ahead and read those off. There was a 3.3 British Virgin Islands at 32 miles in depth. A 2.6 the Virgin Islands at 22 miles in depth. There was a 3.4 Virgin Islands at 23 miles in depth. There was a 2.8 Virgin Islands at 49 miles in depth. There was a 3.0 Virgin Islands at 29 miles in depth, and there was a 2.9 Virgin Islands at 28 miles in depth. All right, that's all I have for right now. I will check on the cyclonic storms, the new tropical storm out there heading for Vietnam area, and then there's another cyclonic storm out there I'll check on also. There's 3 of them all together. So guys, have yourself a great day. We will be getting rain here in Virginia Beach area today. So right now it is 43. It's gone down a couple degrees, but it always does just before sunrise. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. You guys are awesome. You know that, right? 2 thumbs up for you guys. Have a great day.